Anything that is damaged within the boundary of that unit as defined by the declaration. So you look at the declaration of condominium, and if it is within the unit, then the unit owner is responsible for the repair, replacement, and maintenance of those items within the boundary. So if there's damage caused, they're responsible for it. The exception to that is if the damage comes from another unit owner, then that unit owner would be responsible. Or if it came from something that the association was responsible to maintain in the common elements, or if in the declaration they're responsible to maintain, repair, or replace limited common elements, and something happens and that causes damage within the unit, then it would be the association's responsibility. But typically speaking, it's a broad question, but typically speaking, the unit owner is responsible for damage within the unit because it usually arises within the unit. And if it does, then it's their responsibility.